A box contains some yellow balls, some black balls, and then a ball is randomly drawn from the box. Then the probability of drawing our yellow balls is 1 over m. You have to find the value of m. So if you try to solve m directly, of course it's difficult, but however, if you just try to list out the relation, set up the equation, then solve it later, then it's really easy question because you just need to take out one ball. So what they say is describe the probability of a yellow ball. And then use the basic logic. Of course, is the number of yellow ball divided by the total number of balls. So to construct this, how many yellow ball? They just say m, then we just write down m. And then what is the total? Of course, it's m plus 20 black balls together. And then the probability by the information this part is given, that's why we just change it to the information given is 1 over m. And then we just try to solve this equation. Both sides times m plus 20, so m plus 20 in this side. And at the same time, both sides times m. This becomes m squared. So after that, you have to observe this equation. We have one unknown only. At the same time, the highest degree is 2. Highest power is 2. That means this is a quadratic. Then for any quadratic equations, you are going to move everything to one side. And make sure one side becomes 0. After that, you can use formula 1. A equal to 1, B equal to -1, C equal to -20 to solve it. Or you may use factorization. In your brain, you think what times what give you -20. So m squared, m times m, -20. We think about what time what. Okay, maybe +4 and -5. Then we try to test the middle term. Is that the same as the information given? So it's -1m, which is consistent with this term. So that means this is correct guessing. The combination is m plus 4 and m minus 5. So by the zero product rules, this factor equals 0 or this factor equal to 0. So we get m plus 4 equal to 0 or m minus 5 equal to 0. So m is equal to -4 or m is equal to 5. But we are talking about how many yellow balls. It's totally nonsense to have a negative value. So this is rejected. The answer is 5.